Welcome to part 2. Let's start with the other side. We're removing this old sprocket. I'm using a part of an old chain to lock it. Removing the nut and the washer. And this sprocket needs replacement anyway, so we won't be using that. We'll continue with the flywheel. Then you need to lock it somehow so it won't turn. And this is number 17. You also need a special tool, puller, so you'll be able to remove it. Make sure to remove the key that locates the flywheel onto the crankshaft. Now it's time to undo the screws holding the halves together, and it's easier actually to twist the nut than to twist the screw itself. I did put the engine over a plastic tray in case there was any oil left, but as I suspected, it was completely dry. This is my way of remembering where the screws are located, since they are of different lengths. And now the tapping begins. Gently tap on the shafts. And this is what will really do the trick. Driving out these pieces that holds the halves together. Loose. Here I'm removing the key that holds the gear to drive the clutch. The little pin is activating the clutch. Make sure you keep that. And removing the gearbox. You see all 4 gears here. This is drive for the Kickstarter. This little spring operated ratchet comes loose very easily. Here I'm removing the oil pump, and as you can see, it doesn't appear to be in the best shape. Very dirty all around. Removing the crankshaft. And now it's time to remove the selector for the gears. This proved to be a real challenge. driving out the locking pin. This part activates the clutch, and the smaller diameter goes in first. And I'm removing the old gasket. We will replace it with a new one anyway. Now it's time to change the bearings. And for ease of removing them, I'm heating up the goods around it and starting my tapping again. You don't have to be super careful at this stage, because the ball bearings will be replaced anyway. There is also the other side of the engine, so we'll have to remove these bearings as well. Same procedure. And the seal for the Kickstarter. I put all the bearings in one place, with the rubber sealing that goes to the oil pump here. And this washer actually goes onto the gearbox. Now I'm removing the bushing for the rear axle, because I'm going to change this engine from a 4-speed gearbox to a 3-speed gearbox, and it's a different bushing. Well, this is what it looks like at this stage. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.